How to restore the automatic one-touch window switch function on your car in 3 easy steps. The one-touch automatic window switch function is a convenient feature that completes an action, like lowering or closing a window, after a single press of a switch. If yours stops working, follow these quick steps to restore the feature. 1. Turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. 2. Press the window switch down and hold it until the window is completely open and keep holding the switch down for 5 to 10 seconds. 3. Pull the window switch up and hold it until the window is completely closed, then keep pulling the switch up for 5 to 10 seconds. Release the switch. The automatic one-touch function should now be restored. Repeat this process for any other windows that require resetting. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.